Creating tests are another method of assessment that you can utilize with your students. You can use them as quizzes or tests, depending on your preference. To create a test, scroll down to the Course Tools menu under Course Management. Choose Tests, Surveys, and Pools, and then select Tests. From here, push the Create Test button. Give your test a meaningful name that relates to its content and a short description. Next, give instructions for the test so that your students know how to properly complete it. Then click Submit to proceed. Now you have arrived at the test canvas. On the Create Question drop-down menu, select one of the several question options. A full description of the question types are in another video. For this example, we will make a multiple choice question. You can give your question a title if you want, and then enter the question in the question text box. Choose if you want numbers, letters, or Roman numerals. Then choose the orientation of your choices. Partial credit can be given by checking this box. In the Answer section, select the number of answers that you'd like to offer. There is a text box for each of the potential correct choices. If you chose partial credit, determine the amount of credit that you'd like to give for an answer. Once typed in, choose a correct answer from the choices. You can choose to give instant feedback for both correct and incorrect answers. You can choose to tag this question with certain keywords, categories, difficulties, and topics. Finally, instructor notes can be composed at the bottom for grading and general knowledge purposes. Again, click Submit. Repeat this process until you have finished all the questions that you want to put on the test, and then click OK. You will return to the test menu again. If you want to edit a test, simply click the downward arrow next to the name of the test that you want to edit. Unfortunately, once a test reads deployed, you can no longer edit that test. Click Edit and you will return to your test questions and you can edit again.